Dent coin holders, don't do this mistake, otherwise my brothers you are completely and lost. If you stop this mistake, exactly my brother, they are also completely go in the moon and they will make you a very rich man, my brother. Remember, first of all my brothers, to I will update you, I will guide you, and absolutely I share my opinion, and absolutely I will do technical analysis, and absolutely I do a price prediction. So it's mean to this video is completely going to be brand and brand. So you need to first of all like this brand video and also subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribe our YouTube channel. First of all, you can see the last 1 day chart is on the screen. In this chart completely my friends, I show you the production, show you the opinion, and absolutely the update. So let's see my brother. You can see this time every cryptocurrency is moving, and this formula to after a jump they fails down, after a fails they take a jump. So make sure my brothers to after a jump, after every cryptocurrency falls down, and after fails every cryptocurrency is wake up and take a very huge jump. So my brother, you can see this time exactly the average is gonna be my friends. You can see here the negative minus 0.36% they fell down just only in the last 1 hour, my brother. But this time, if you can say my brother, absolutely this chart show you my brothers to upcoming time there is more chances to they will wake up and they give you a very huge profit. So try to understand my brother, Dutch coin is one of the fastest coin in the crypto market, and this is very good coin for a long time investing. If you invest for a long time, try to understand to this time my brother, everybody try to understand to this time. If you invest in Dent coin, absolutely this is very good time, because you can see they will make you millionaire at the end of month. Every cryptocurrency is completely go in the moon. So therefore I'm so happy, and absolutely I believe this to upcoming times they will wake up and they go in the moon. So you need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope they will give you very good price and profit, my brother. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.